MyUCSC, how to find and read your UCSC bill. This video explains how to locate and read UCSC bills, which will help you understand what you're being charged for and when you need to make a payment to your account. Student Business Services, or SBS, is the on-campus office responsible for all student financial accounts, including payments and billing statements. UCSC does not print and mail paper bills. All bills are online, and you'll get an email notification whenever a new bill is ready. Each bill contains a summary of all charges, payments, and other transactions that have been posted to your account since your last bill. Before the start of each quarter, Student Business Services creates your quarterly bill, which includes quarterly charges for tuition, campus, and student services fees, quarterly charges for on-campus housing, meal plans, and UC Ship insurance, and any past due amounts owed from previous bills. The quarterly bill may also include anticipated financial aid you may be eligible to receive. There are also monthly bills that contain smaller miscellaneous charges, like health centers fees, printing services, or past due amounts. New bills are created only when there is money to pay, so you might not have a bill every month. When a new bill is ready, you'll automatically get an email alert, or you can set up text alerts for new bills in UCSC eBill ePay. To view your bills, log into the MyUCSC portal and tap the My Account tile. Once you're in the My Account tile, you can tap Billing Statements in the sidebar to choose the bill you wish to see. You can also find an easier-to-read version of the bill in UCSC eBill ePay. Tap UCSC eBill ePay in the My Account sidebar, then tap the Make Payment button to access eBill ePay and see your bills in the Statements screen. Here are some pro tips for UCSC bills. We recommend logging into MyUCSC every week to check for new bills and charges on your account. You should also check for messages, holds, and items in the To-Do List Tasks tile, and follow up on them as soon as possible to avoid enrollment holds that can make it hard to get into the classes you need. And if you have questions about your bills or payments, contact Student Business Services or the SelectSense Financial Wellness Program. Your MyUCSC username and passwords are exclusively yours and should not be shared with anyone. If an adult at home would like to see or pay your bills, do not give them your MyUCSC username and password. Instead, you can invite them to set up their own account in UCSC eBill ePay so they can see your account balance and make payments. See the video comments link for links to another video of instructions. Now that you know where and when to find bills, let's look at the information you will see on a bill. At the top, we have the statement date, or the date the bill was created, the payment due date, shown here as the late due date, the amount due, or the balance on your account when the bill was created, and the account number, which is the same as your student ID number. If you have an unpaid balance from a previous bill, it will appear at the top of the Charges column. The Charges and Adjustments section of the bill includes the various fees and charges you're expected to pay and any credits or adjustments made to your account. The account balance is the total amount owed as of the statement date. And if you're receiving financial aid, the Anticipated Aid section will include an estimate of financial aid types and amounts you may be eligible for. Your bill also has a payment coupon on page 2 that you can include with mailed or in-person payments. If you have questions about what we've covered in this video, contact SBS Financial Service Center or the SelectSense Financial Wellness Program. See the video comments for links to our websites, contact information, office hours, and informational resources.